Here are the supplied components you will need for the panel mount ring kit. You will also need scissors, an electric drill, and a Phillips screwdriver. Start by opening the case and setting it on its side. Using the supplied drill bit, hold the drill template labeled side firmly in place, then drill through the shell. Next, use the other templates to drill through the front, side, and back of the case. Press the panel mount ring into the base of the case evenly, making sure the half-moon cutout for the breather valve faces the front of the case. Using your Phillips screwdriver, install the machine screws and nuts to secure the panel mount ring in place. Note the nuts will be captured by the panel mount ring, and you do not need a socket to hold the nut in place. Next, install the rubber gasket. Push the rubber gasket into the groove between the shell and the panel mount ring. Now you are ready to install your panel. Use screws to secure your panel to the ring. For more information on this product and other SKB products, please visit skbcases.com.